You're 22. Tú got a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Tú got a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my lady. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe you're 22. Tú got a handle.
Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm all dressed and ready to go. I'm gonna show you my fit shortly, but this was just a quick get ready with me. It's a Friday night and I'm heading out to a birthday dinner, and yeah, we're gonna see where the weekend takes us. I do probably have an event to go to tomorrow, a Soca event, yay. But we'll talk about that tomorrow. But tonight, birthday dinner, I'm gonna head to Marketplace. I don't remember the name of the restaurant, but you guys will see. And I'll be wearing my YSL perfume. I don't remember the name of it, but yeah, I don't really like wear perfume like that. That's kind of weird, right? Anytime I'm wearing perfume, it's just 1, 2, 3. I don't be like sprayed like crazy because I'm not really a perfume fan, which is kind of bad. How can I be a female and don't like perfume? But anyways, that's besides the point. I'm gonna show you guys my fit. I am late. Dinner is at 7. It's almost 7:20. I'll see you guys later. I'll show you the fit and we're gonna head out, okay? Hey guys, what's going on? So I am at the parking lot of the restaurant. I didn't even get to show you guys my fit because I'm literally so late. I'm 40 minutes late for the people in birthday dinner. That is like so awful. So I'm just gonna put on my slippers and just head out, and you guys will see my fit and all of that throughout the video. And yeah, just like this video in the meantime, like it, and you guys can add a comment. So we'll talk when we get inside, people.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent.
To the queen! Cheers! Cheers!
You got it, girl, you got it.
We just left the restaurant, so we're gonna head to Jangas. The food was lovely. It was a great celebration. So happy birthday again to Lacey, my fam. So yeah, so we are gonna head to Jangas, so I will see you guys there.
The next day.
Like, it appears it's gonna rain. I can't believe we're heading to the beach right now and the sky is getting dark, literally. I don't understand. Like, why? Oh, Shakira. Oh my word. Why am I behaving so? So guys, we are on our way to the beach.
Yes, we are.
Yo, this thing is shaking as hell. Yeah, so on my way to Portmore, of course, like Man, today really looks like a OG day. Well, it's kind of actually late now to even go. It's almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I hope the gas station here no full. So I'm gonna just grab some gas. I'm on the boulevard. Grab some gas and yeah, we're gonna head to the beach for today and have a nice relaxed day. Last night I went to a birthday dinner. You guys saw. I went to Marketplace. I don't remember the name of the restaurant.
The thumbs up and you are so wrong.
Yeah, thumbs up the video. Yeah, so
Put
went
the thumbs
to.
up if you want to come to the video.
Yeah, man. So went to a birthday dinner last night. Then we ended up at Jenga. So then after I just went to Escape and just spent a couple minutes there because my friend was keeping something. So I just hang out at Escape to support for a few. But yeah, that was a vibe last night. The food was, my salmon was, I like my salmon. I think it needed a little salt, but I never asked for the salt. I never had no salt to it. But the food was good. The food was good. And when it come out, I said, this look a bit to you, you know, these restaurants, it filled my belly for that period, for the rest of the night. Yes, that was the vibe last night. So today is beach day, and then after beach, after beach tonight, I have a Soca party. I have a Soca party tonight, so I'm gonna head out to a Soca event tonight.
Oh, what's
So that is the vibe for the weekend. So I will talk to you guys when I reach at the beach. Yeah, we are in KFC line. Just gonna grab some chicken. It's literally 2:20 now in the afternoon, and them tell me I got beach. Well, it's nothing new for me actually. Haven't had anything from morning. Like I am super hungry. Super hungry. Had a KFC line here so long. Hi, can you tell me how much for the 3-piece combo again? Or we can only still do this. You know, so the lady here do have no manners. The lady here do have any manners. Wanna still do the super size thingy? To enlarge the price on the tray? It's one price for both? No? Alright, can just enlarge 3-piece combo. 2 barbecue, 1 original. I can get leg, no breast. Yeah. I can get the leg in original. I can get 2 leg. Give me the leg in the original. Give me the leg in the barbecue. And no breast. Yeah. I can super large the fries, please. So turn it back to that. Can come like the breeze that come from that section here. Approved. I understand why the line here after so long. Like KFC is not all that. Seriously, it isn't. It really isn't that serious. Alright, so we are at the beach, y'all. Ready. So I'm at the beach. So I bought my rum that I had gotten from the crowd bought in Curacao. I only drank like a cup out of it, or 2 cups. I still like have a full. Like, I don't know why I only bought 1. That's like so weird. Like
can't deny me that I'm blessed. Self-preservation, self-elevation. These kind of these days deserve celebration. No hesitation, no reservation. Go for the big leagues, no relegation. Let's celebrate life, kick back and take five, and give thanks to the source that created.
I'm going to, yeah guys, you may not hear me right now because the wind is so annoying. Like the last time I was here, like, watch the thing on the tripod. Like, I'm over this. If I want to go to the beach again, I'm just going to drive my ass to Fuji or Portland. This is not it. It's overcast. There's so much seaweed like the last time. Like, it's windy as hell. This is not a relaxing beach day. It's literally deja vu. Same shit that happened last time. Like, yeah, I'm gonna get this beach out. Watch there. See? This shit is dropping. Anyways, guys, yeah. I'm gonna get more break on the beach. On the beach. Portland place or Oceano place. One of those. Like, I'm over it. But I'm gonna finish eating and we'll catch up later.
And I did pray for my kids, like my best. Pray for the friends I lost. I pray you never see no loss. Yeah, so I'm dashing back the time to pressure. I don't see where my brother make you know. Life what I did, you see, I didn't even on the low. Hustle every day, I'm really trying to take control. Never by the money, man, I'm staying in my zone. Feeling blessed now. Feeling tonight, me on my neck. Don't get me. Such a night, my dog goes stress now. Feeling tonight, me on my guys. Don't get me.
Hey guys, so just checking in. It's still windy and crazy, still overcast. We're just gonna pack up and head out now.
I just wanna hold on to my gun, every bitch you cool me down. I just wanna hold on to my gun, I never let it bitch you cool me down.
Yeah, so I am left the beach and
Water.
yes, KB. So I am on my way back home. I know when I told you guys on the beach that I'm heading out and I'm gonna go to an event, but when I was in the KC land, there was something that I wanted to say, but I don't know, I got distracted and etc. So the other day, somebody that I know from a long time, the person is my friend, and it was asking me how my channel is going and whatever, because when I first started out YouTube, they were one of the first few people that I had asked to subscribe. So they do view my channel, you know, at random because they have seen the progress, and they had asked me like, how is my channel going, and asking me like, what am I doing different from everybody else, right? So I did say that, you know, my channel is travel, food reviews, stuff like that. So they did ask me like, what am I doing different, and like I had to pause because I'm not really doing anything different from everybody else. Like I'm just being me, you know, I'm being me. And then like the person asked like, will if I, because you know how the content creation world is, like, as it relates to females, like there's a type of lifestyle that comes with certain following and etc. So the person asked like, will I ever change my look or whatever? So what a person mean by that is, you know, me doing like high maintenance stuff, like changing my hair constantly, having my nails, always have on a full glam. I think that's what the person is like referring to basically. And I'm like, no, that will never happen. I'm just gonna be me. As you guys see, like I come with my hair, my natural hair, my relaxed hair that I did the other day, which my relaxed hair that I did the other day never have on nothing. Like my head really looked like a peanut, but I'm still gonna come on camera because that's me, that's who I am. Why there's something here? Is that shake? Yeah, that's me, that's how I am. Like I'm all internet and do a facade, like I have this, I have that, to maintain a certain lifestyle. Like, no, I'm not that type of person. And then I'm sure you guys would have seen, like, I am like a person that do stuff myself, hair, nails, lashes. Like, I mostly, you know, I'm like a DIY type of person. So there's certain stuff I'm not gonna like spend like $1 zillion on it just to keep up with the social media influencing people who can afford certain stuff. You know, I'm not gonna come on camera all the time with a full glam face. Like, that's not me. As you guys see, even when I go out sometimes, you guys realize that I don't even wear makeup. It's just based on how I feel. It's based on how I feel. I will put on makeup. Like, you guys should see that already. So but my point that I'm trying to make is for all the small YouTubers out there, do not let the social media influence you to do stuff that it's not really you. You know, don't let social media like push you to break the bank to do this. Oh, and there was this whole like question. There was this whole thingy about maintenance, people spending $50,000, $100,000 on maintenance, blah blah blah. I think it was on TikTok or Instagram or something like that. And I didn't even want to talk about it because it's been like a few weeks ago or 2 months ago. But like, if people can afford to pay 50 grand for lashes and nails and pedicure, whatever the case is, you know, let them do it. Like, there's nothing, if a female or man can afford to spend on themselves, like, why not? Most of the times I wear press-on nails. This is press-ons right now because I like to bite my nails. So the only reason why I will put on nails is for special occasions. Okay, baby, can you sing a little softly? Because I'm talking, please. But like to say, nails, like, I'm not gonna do that. It's only on special occasions because I like to bite my nail. So, yo, this thing is shaking so much, like, it don't make any sense. I think I'm gonna pull over and finish talk because I'm not supposed to talk and this shit shaking like that. Let me just pull over and finish talk. I really need to get a proper phone holder for this stupid ass car. Yeah, so basically I bite my nails and etc. So I would never like have that to maintain because I only do that on occasion, etc. But bottom line is, to all my small YouTubers, like, do you always be yourself. That's what I'm doing. Always be yourself, no matter what the social media. The social media is very influencing. Let's not do that. The social media does influence me at times, but I never like go out of my way to do stuff or buy stuff or whatever just because, oh, social media says that. Okay, so small YouTubers, don't be influenced by other persons who are able to afford certain stuff and you're trying to do that and you're not being authentic. Like, always be your authentic self. Always be your authentic self. Always don't let social media influence you. Like, if you have a natural hair and you want to come on camera all the time with natural hair and don't want to have long extensions or blah blah blah, do you, bruh, do you. Always be you. Believe in your channel, believe in your content, and wherever you want to reach in this content creation world, you will. If you have a goal, stick to it. Timeline, all my small YouTubers or other people out there, if you want to start a channel or whatever, just do you, be yourself, and don't give up and don't watch nobody. If you don't wear makeup, you come on camera with your bare face. If you don't wear makeup constantly, if you only wear makeup when you go out like me sometimes, like, don't have to force yourself every time to come on camera with a beat ass face just because. Not gonna lie, but not lie, when you watch a video of them and the people in face beat, the girlie's face are beat, it look good. It met the quality of the video like a little bit better. But regardless of what, be yourself, do what you want to do, and don't watch no face or no body. Your channel will reach wherever you want it to reach. Okay, period. But anyways, I'm gonna head back out because it is 5:36 and we have soca party tonight. I just hope all the stuff what they say before something shaky happen. People will talk later. Hopefully I don't even have to talk about this again, because the camera quality was just awful and it's constantly shaking and just very distracting. But later guys, later. Our homeboy said it was $250 for pine instead of $450 for the pine. Anyways, so I bought a pound of melon and some pine. Kevin, what you want, you said? Melon. I can't, the melon is not cut properly, so when you get home, you want the pine? Okay, let me get a piece. It's nice.
Right?
I know. The pine is bomb.
I eat up mine before you. I eat up mine before you. Guys, you're not so fast and me so fast. Can I please have some more?
Sure. Wait. It's not sweet, it's not sour, it's just fresh. I don't know how to even explain it. It's okay, I need the fruits, guys. I don't normally eat fruits. I'm gonna show myself.
Fruit and vegetables.
Yeah, I need to start eating it a lot.
And I even want more. I even want more.
Okay, I want to give it one more piece. That's it. It's really nice though.
That's nice.
You're welcome. This is just right.
This one is sweeter.
This one you see? You see, that's why you're supposed to always have your eye on the road like this man.
Mine's
Right.
too.
And it's so juicy. Wish it was a little bit more sweeter. Like sweet. It's sweet, but it's not sweet. Not gonna lie, this would definitely like make some nice pine juice. It is so juicy. It's so juicy. Hey y'all, what's going on? So I'm at the event. I'm just gonna head in right now, and it's almost 12 o'clock and the party should end at 2 a.m. Yeah, so we're just gonna go in and see what the party is all about. This is a soca event, so I'm gonna enjoy myself. So I hope you guys enjoying this video so far, and we will talk later. All right, so continue to like the video. Well, if you haven't liked the videos yet, please go ahead and like the video and drop a comment down below. Let me know how you guys like the video so far, and we will talk soon. All right, bye.
Look how the sun now raising up, and the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes, and nothing can break it up. The girl them a wine non-stop. We are the drinks them in a my cup. We gonna party all night, all night. 24 parties we hit in a row. Tonight at the very last show, before we head out on the road. The girl them a release the load. So let me see your hands up, so everybody know, put your hands up, so if you're ready for the road, let your friend them know. We're ready for the road. ready, we're ready. Yeah, we're ready, we're ready, we're ready.